Hello everyone, bonjour les amis and welcome back for a new episode of Enjoy with John. I am today in Shanghai, in China, and I came here to attend the wedding of my good friends Charlie and Seria, and I'm very honored to be their best man for this ceremony. Enjoy the traditional Chinese wedding ceremony. So we are in a lovely neighborhood in the district of Chongming, about 80 kilometers away from Shanghai city center. And this is actually the house of the bride, Seria, who was born here.
It's a double. So first one and a second. Yeah, that's cool.
You want to say something to Charlie and Seria?
Yeah. Oh, Charlie's the best. Sarah's the best. They are the best couple.
Happy wedding. So, get more baby and more baby with French Shanghainese mix. Yeah, okay. You can do it.
So all this morning we went through a lot of funny games between best man and best woman of the groom and the bride. Funny things, respecting Chinese traditions with the red envelopes. It was very fun. Voilà, and now it's lunchtime. Something for Charlie?
That we love you and we are so happy for you.
On est tellement content d'être là pour toi.
Sûr. Léger.
Deux autres restaurants. Il m'a fait tous les restaurants. 喂。
Sa Majesté Kaderabek et son Éminence Seria.
身边的小朋友和老人收拾好喜悦的心情，迎接婚礼的开始。
Waiting for you.
今天阳光明媚，万里晴空。
好嘛，let's do it again, okay? Together, right? 1、2、2.5。
Ouais!
Je vais goûter à ça. Vas-y, goûte à ça, tu vas voir.
Dinner time again, we enjoy. Oui.
Tu sais que je vais faire toutes les tables avec Charles.
C'est fort.
C'est très compliqué. Le vin jaune.
Le vin jaune pour le vin chinois. Ouais. C'est le cas de le dire.
Charlie là. Elle était pas mal ça.
Our dinner tonight. Bravo, bravo.
Nous sommes à Chongming et nous investiguons.
How are you doing?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ouais, bravo.
mais viens. Vas-y, viens derrière.
Les gars, ils sont deux.
C'est la nouvelle chanson à la queue à deux. Ah, là, là.
In China. China.
Only in China.
Only.
Good morning. Just woke up after a beautiful day of the wedding of our friends yesterday, and before leaving Chongming, just wanted to show you the wonderful villa where all the best men and best women stayed for that ceremony. Enjoy. So we are back to Seria's house and it's time for the gifts. So I prepare a very traditional gift, which is something inside that red envelope. Voila, so that's the traditional gift in China for people who get married. Santa Claus is coming to town. My lovely groom and bride.
Oh,
Voila.
merci John.
Voila.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Enjoy.
French culture. With the license.
Allez, last lunch before the road. What is she doing, Seria?
She's cutting the sugar cane from Chongming. In Chongming we call Luji. In Shanghai we call Tian Dilusu.
Eh ben voilà, everything is clear. Sugar cane from Chongming.
Yeah, only in Chongming this.
Only in Chongming.
Yeah.
Come on, John.
You can do it, John.
You can do it.
Come on.
It's a brush for home. You know, brush.
Ah, brush for home, a broom.
This is for Charlie because he likes to do the
To do the cleaning of the house after the wedding. Amazing.
Too sharp.
Yeah, thanks.
This one cannot eat. And then using your teeth. Like this on the floor.
Can you hear my voice all the time? 50 loser.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked Charlie and Seria's wedding in Chongming, Shanghai, China, you can put a like on the video, and if you haven't done it yet, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, Enjoy with John, and I will be very happy to show you new episodes coming very soon. Thank you so much again for your support. À bientôt. Bye bye.
Sawadee ka.